Jamie?
Yeah, Simone, a huge concern in our state is the lack of protective equipment for our first responders and our healthcare workers. So how bad is that shortage, and how is our state responding to this?
Yeah, the governor says we're struggling like a lot of other states today, Jamie, but he did say today we can't depend on being rescued by the federal government. He said Washington needs to seize its own destiny, and that's why he's calling on private companies with manufacturing sectors to step up and switch gears on what they're doing to get involved.
That is a request that requires disruption of existing business supply lines. But this is a moment that counts. And we have great business people, we have great skilled manufacturing people, and I'm here to ask you to think if you can get into this fight and volunteer to be a soldier in this fight as a manufacturer.
Well, looking at your screen right now are the types of equipment that the state is in short supply of and needs private manufacturers in our state to step up and start helping produce. We know that we have a shortage of masks. There's also certain components of the testing kits that you'd be able to help. We have this whole manufacturing sector, and the governor says it doesn't need to mean that you contribute to the entire part. If you can just help one little portion, if you are working in plastics, or say you're working in cloths, if you have a factory, you can help make those masks. One of our manufacturing companies, Outdoor Research, has committed to making 100,000 to 200,000 masks per day by the end of the month. So we are seeing private companies start to step up. The governor is asking everybody to get involved. He did ask the president to enact the Defense Production Act, which would have required these manufacturing companies across the country to take part in this. That hasn't happened, and today the president said that states need to be calling on their companies within their own states to help in this effort. So that's exactly what's happening right now. Obviously, we know our critical needs in our state, our healthcare workers, our essential employees, they're all going to work right now, and a lot of them are having to reuse some of these supplies like masks that are not designed